Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with Morning Market Stir for Monday, June the 6th. Stocks stabilized on Friday with a lot of action with the employment report showing growth of only 38,000 jobs. But let's remember that we've seen 75 consecutive months of job growth. So the S&P ended up finishing down 6 points on the session, right around the 2100 level, but 15 points off the low, unchanged for the week. The Dow futures was best on the day, down 0.1%, and the Nasdaq was knocked down 0.5% on Friday, but also finishing unchanged on the week. The action was in the dollar, so what it looks like here is we went from no chance of a rate hike, then to some chance, and then back Friday's news gives us no chance of a rate hike in June. So the dollar was down 150 to 94. The euro currency a big boost, up 190 points to 113.50, a 2% move. The bond market also had some big movement, up 2 full basis points, driving yields lower and lower. Crude had muted action, down 50 cents at 48.60, but did lose $1 on the week. But the big mover of the day was gold, up 2.5%, 12.48, up $30, bouncing off that 1,200 support that we saw last week. So after the big action on Friday, where things stand here on this Monday morning, for a full trading week anyways, well, we're up about 0.25% across the board, up 5 points in the S&P, up 50 in the Dow, and up 11 in the Nasdaq 100. Currencies are steady right now, dollar at 94, euro at 113.50, and bonds are moving nowhere. But the update on yields, we're at 1.72, below that 1.75% in the 10-year note that everybody keeps an eye on. Now we're seeing some delayed positive reaction with that weaker dollar in the crude market. Right now we're at 49.65, pressing on $50 one more time, up $1. That's a 2% push in the oil market. And lastly, gold's up $4 at 12.47. So to wrap up this current action with half an hour to go before the cash stock market open, a little bit of strength in the stock indexes, up 5 in the S&P, up 50 in the Dow futures, and up 11 in the Nasdaq. Not a whole lot of corporate earnings, nothing really, until after the 4th of July holiday. So fundamental corporate facts are going to be far and few between. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.